A very warm welcome to you. Thank you again for joining us in this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a login page in Google Sites. So you'll come to Google Sites and you can of course create any page using either the templates or blank page. So I'll just start from blank. So you click on blank site so that now you can just create your site just from the blank page here. And we can definitely change this to something. Let's call it JoshNet Pro. And then we just want to come to this side and click on pages. So you notice we have a home page only. So we want to add another page where now we can have members to log in so that we can create a login page on that page. So we are going to click on new page down here, and then we are going to call this page registration, and then we click on done. So we want to create a page here. So we want to create a login page on this registration Google site. So to do that, you are going to go to authpro.com, and that link is available in the description of this video. Now, the AuthPro helps you to protect your pages from unauthorized access, and it's so easy to use. So you'll click on sign up now under authpro.com, and then you complete the registration process. Here, you can select a new account sign up. I want to try an account. I want to sign up for Deluxe account. So you select the first one here. How do you want to set up your account? I want to use Setup Wizard to configure my account, or I want to use Quick Sign Up Form, and I'll configure my account later using Account Manager. So I'll select the first one, then click on Continue. And then this way you now put your details. So I'll put my username there. You enter a unique alphanumeric username, and then you come to the password. You put your password there. Then you confirm the password. Then you fill all these other details, and then you now notice here you need to put your website title here. I'll just call it Josh, and then you need to put the website URL. So the website URL here, if I come back to my site here, you notice I have my site here. So to get the website URL, which should be at the top here, you first have to publish your page. So you click on publish, then you put the publish to the web here, you put the detail there, and then you click now on publish. And now your page has been published. So now you come to the link at the top here, then you put your website URL here now, then you select the language, put all these other details, and click on create account. And with that, your account will be created. So you click on proceed to setup wizard on the top left corner. And then now you fill up these details, new member registration option. I want members to register for free and access my members area. Or you can select the second one. I want members to register for free and access my members area where they verify their email address. You just check the one that best describes you. So I'll select the second one, then click on next. Then you now edit your setup details here. What you need the registration form to have the name, the email, the username, the password, and then verify password. You can also add a new field down here if you need that. You can also rearrange this. You can start with the name, then username, then email by just clicking on these icons here. And then if you're satisfied with this, we are just going to leave it as it is. You just click on next. And then now at the top here, you configure the URLs. This one is required, your members area URL. And this is the successful login URL where your members will be sent if they enter the correct login password. So we'll go back to our site, and we need, you notice we have our home here and we have our registration. So we want members to be taken to this registration page. So we are going to click on the registration here, and then we now come to the top here and select that link, copy that. We copy the link, and then we come to our setup wizard, and then we click, and then we add it there. Then you can add these ones which are optional, failed login, and members will be sent there if they enter the incorrect login password. There's also the option one where you can protect the page authorization failed URL, and members will be sent there if they try to access the protected page. And you can either select, I want to display my own website address for members area, and this is required for Google Sites website. And you can also select the second one, but because we are using Google Site website, we are going to select the first one there, and then we click on next. And now you notice here we can now add some members to our account. You put the name, the password, and the email. So you want to put the name here. You want to call this person admin 1, and then the password, let's still call it admin 1, and then we can put the email there. So we have just added a member, then we can click on next. And now here, we now can add the login form, add registration form. This is where we can add all the forms. You notice we already have the links here up to down here. And now here we have to protect your members login area. In order to protect your pages from unauthorized access, you need to paste this code to your page, which you want to be accessible by registered members only. So this is the code that we want. So to select this code, you simply highlight it and copy it. And then you go back to your site. So we go back to our registration. And then down here, you'll notice we have the plus sign. We have new page, new link, full page embed. So we click on that, full page embed. And then the code that we copied, we embed it here on embed code. Then we paste it there and then click on next. And now you notice we have our enter login page here, and this is how it will look like. And then we just click on insert. And now we have it there. And now we have just added our login page into Google Sites. So you notice now we have our home page, which does not need that. We have the registration, and then we have the part for register. And once a person clicks on register, you notice they have to put their details here. Now we can add the other details here. We can enter the site name. We can add the logo. We can add all the things that we need to add on this page. So now to try if this is working, let's first come back to the setup wizard, and then we click on proceed to account manager down here. You now notice we can see we have one member. We have just added one member. 0 are online. We have all these other details that we can see here. And you notice we have links and codes to different forms. This is the link to the form we have just created for login. Then we have the registration one. We have where the members can edit their form. We have the cancellation. We have members areas all added here. And now it's publishing. And now our page has been successfully published. We can view it on a different page. I'll click on view so that it takes me to this part for register. Now you notice I cannot access that page until I register. Notice that page is already protected. You notice it's protected by AuthPro. It means therefore for me to access the content on that page, then I'll have to do the registration. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.